Today, we fly from airport to airport. In the near future, with the help of artificial intelligence and automation, we will fly without pilots from suburb to suburb. This will not only change the way we travel, but also where we choose to live and work. A journey that normally takes a couple of hours by car is suddenly only 30 minutes away by drone, or so-called electrical vertical takeoff and landing vehicle. The CORUS project is a European initiative where different types of drone flight validations are carried out at 7 locations in Europe, coordinated by Eurocontrol, the European Network Function, and Competence Center for Air Traffic Services. Previous research and demonstrations from simple to complex drone services will now be put to the test in both urban and rural environments, leading to advancements in urban air mobility, or UAM. The focus of this testing is on advanced drone systems interacting with societal functions in an urban high-traffic environment. The municipalities of Linköping and Norrköping are collaborating in one of the project's most interesting demonstrations, where LFV, the Air Navigation Services of Sweden, together with Linköpings University and a Swedish infrastructure company in the aviation industry called IBG, are building part of the future infrastructure in the airspace between the cities. During Q3 of 2022, a drone from the company Katla Aero will utilize this infrastructure for a fossil-free test flight over a distance of 50 kilometers in controlled airspace through urban and rural areas, autonomously delivering a 10-kilogram package beyond the visual line of sight. The event will mark the first official autonomous intercity flight in Europe by a drone, and it will fly from Mjärdevi Science Park in Linköping to Kungsängen, Norrköpings airport. Welcome to Östergötland, welcome to the future, and welcome to the CORUS project. Extension for Urban Air Mobility.